Hello my dear kids, today we are going to do another mathematics lesson. You can use your mathematics textbook to do this lesson with me. Unit 7, Volume and Capacity, Part 2. Let's see today's volt. What are we learning today? Today, you are going to multiply and divide volume. Before we start today's lesson, we'll recall what we learned in the volume and capacity part 1. We learned the two words volume and capacity. Volume means the amount of liquid or else any juice we measure. And capacity means the amount or the maximum amount of liquid we can hold in a vessel. And we learned the basic units of volume, which is liters and milliliters. And we learned the relationship between liters and milliliters, which means 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Let's start today's lesson in this way. Can you see the vessel in this picture? So, here I have given your vessel, the capacity of that is 30 milliliters, which means that particular vessel can hold 30 milliliter of liquid in it. And it is already filled up to its maximum level, that means 30 milliliters. So the volume in the first vessel is 30 milliliters. If you take two such vessels together, that means 30 milliliters into 2. 30, 60 milliliters. In 3 such vessels, 30 milliliters into 3. 30, 30, which means 90 milliliters. Now in the earlier slide, I explained you when you have same kind of containers together, where you have the equal amount of liquid in each, how to multiply and get the answer. Now let's try to do this sum, multiplication of volume. So before we start it, you should know the basic things. The first one is you have to start multiplication from the milliliter column. Here you have two columns, liters and milliliters. So to start from the milliliter column. And the maximum value you can keep in the milliliter column is 999, because 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. And then you have to multiply. So the given volume is 5 liters and 100 milliliters. You have to multiply it by 5. So start multiplication from the milliliter side. 100 into 5, which means 500. Then the liter column, 5 into 5, which is 25. So the answer is 25 liters and 500 milliliters. Now let's try the division of volume. Here I have given you 6 liters and 462 milliliters to divide by 2. So let's start from the liter column again. Now here this is division, so to start from the liters. So 6 liters divided by 2. Inside 6 you have 3 2's. 2 times 3 is 6. Then 6 subtract 6. 6 minus 6, the answer is 0. In the milliliter column, you take 4 down near to the 0, which you have taken after subtraction, 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Take 6 down. 2 times 3 is 6. Once again subtraction, 0. Take once again 2 down. 2 times 1 is 2, and there's no remainders. So the answer is 3 liters and 231 milliliters. So kids, today you have learned how to multiply and divide volume. You learned that the multiplication you have to start from the milliliter column, while the division you have to start from the liter column. So I'll post the student note along with all the exercises, and you can do those. We'll meet again. Stay safe. Thank you.